Fill any form with BulkForm. BulkForm is a tool that deals with everything forms, whether it's Jane in Canada filling a single T4 or Peter, an immigration lawyer that has to do with 1000 I-485s. BulkForm is here for you. Click Get Started to get started and click on Sign in with Google to sign and access BulkForm's dashboard and BulkForm's tool. Our trusty robot, whose name is Dara, will guide you through the entire system, whether you want to fill one form or fill multiple forms at a time. You can see your activity on our matrix bar, and BulkForm Wrapped is coming soon. Let's try fill one form. You can click on fill one form to fill any form. It doesn't matter if it's a static PDF or a fillable PDF. All you have to do is click on upload or drag and drop and click on start mapping and filling to fill out a form. So I'm going to select a random form for my system, a therapy form I got from Twitter. The therapy form has now been uploaded, so we can start mapping and filling now. Mapping simply means telling BulkForm where the form's fields are. Telling BulkForm, fill this field, fill this field. Yes. The form is ready to be filled. So we're going to look at what our trusty robot has to tell us. This is where the magic happens. Let's map out your fields. Map is just a programmer way to say select the boxes where you want to fill out your form values. But as you can see, I've already filled out this form, so I'm just going to pick a random part of the form to write hello world. If you click on show positioning grid, you can show you a grid where any part of the grid you select will be where your words will be written, will be where your value you want to fill in the form will be filled out. If the positioning grid is ever not in the right position, you can click on refresh to put the grid on the proper place. Touching any part of the grid will let you select that point and give you a preview field placement that lets you name that field and write out the value you want to be in that form box and actually see what it will look like before creating the form. I'm just changing my font size to 40 because I want the hello world to be super big before I click on generate preview. As you can see, that is what the form will look like when it's printed out fully. The hello world is so big and it's at the side, and it's exactly where I clicked on. I'm just playing around. It looks good, so add the field. Once you're happy with your field preview, select looks good, add field to lock it in, and select yes. We just previewed our fields, but I would like us to just finish Dara's tutorial. See how you added yes. When your confirm fields are automatically stored for quick future edits. In case you want to change the field name, field settings, you can change the font size, the text size, you can change the position of the text, and you can change the fonts. You can upload your own fonts, and BulkForm will use your fonts to write the text on your forms. If you need a signature, all you need to do is upload a picture of the signature, and you can read the blog post about signatures to fully understand how to use signatures on BulkForm. I think that's all for this tutorial. You can click on see final PDF to see the final PDF. Processing. It takes anywhere from 10 seconds to 20 seconds. And there you have it, our completely filled PDF form with hello world boldly written on it. and this can be saved as a template for a therapist that would need to have filled this form for 50 clients. So with this template, all the therapist will need is just a CSV and 50 clients rows, row by row. One row represents a client, and you'll be able to fill out 50 of this in 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops with BulkForm. That's why we save templates. Your template was saved successfully and is now ready for you to use or share. Now let's talk about BulkForm superpower feature. Official and custom templates. Official templates are form templates made by us, the BulkForm team, so that you won't have to stress yourself making form templates. Mind you, making form templates is free for both you and us. If there's ever a form whose template doesn't exist on BulkForm, feel free to email us at support@bulkform.app. So support@bulkform.app, and we'll create a template for that form. Depending on the complexity of that template, we would price it. Some templates are free. So these are the templates I made while I was trying to make this demo video. Random therapist form from Twitter. You can either fill a single form with these templates without the need of going through the hassle of the grid, or I can fill multiple forms by clicking fill batch. Let's test fill a single form. So with filling a single form, you can actually save your time by saving presets. For example, let's take Jane in Canada that fills a T4 every year. She doesn't need to change all the fields every year. She just needs to change her income. So with presets, she can just load a T4 preset and change the income, and she wouldn't have to stress herself with her T4 every year. And clicking the preview button lets you preview how a field will look on a form before generating the PDF. PDF generated successful in 4 seconds. BulkForm promises you speed and no mistakes with every form filled with it. One form or 10,000 forms, it doesn't matter. BulkForm can fill them all. Now let's go back to this template and test filling batch. That is filling multiple forms at a time with a single template. And this is your batch dashboard that lets you fill 10,000 forms, 1,000 forms, 20,000 forms at a go. So you can either upload a CSV file to fill out the forms, or a JSON file, or a manual, or do it manually by creating it row by row on BulkForm. You can upload your fonts to use your specific fonts. You can upload pictures of your signatures. You can upload pictures of your stamps. You can also set the font size for your text, and you can set the alignment of your text. You can set the image width and image height of your signatures, and you can do a lot. You can also download the CSV header file so that you won't have to stress yourself writing out the fields needed for your form. I'm just going to use the manual setting since this is a demo video and my form only has one field called anything. And I'm going to create 3-4 forms. One that says hello world, one that says hello you, one that says hello me, another that says hello man, another that says hello woman. And yes, let's create these 5 forms. You feel free to name your batch for easy identification. I'm naming this batch launch test, although if you don't name it, it doesn't stop you from running. And you can always scroll up if you're on desktop to see the announcement. Yes, that batch has started processing, and it also tells you down the progress of your batch. One has finished, and very fast, all forms have been made. And you can click on download zip to download a zip file for your batch. Or you can open the batch page to see each PDF in the batch, each form filled one by one. And that's what I would like to do for us. I want to go to the batch page and show you each PDF filled one by one. So this is your batch library. It shows you every single batch you have run, and you can open each batch to see the PDFs that you filled, the forms that you filled over time. I call it mission control. The progress bar, watch this till it fills up. Green means good, bad means red. So you can download your zip file from here. You can retrial forms that failed, and you can download single forms one at a time instead of downloading it all at a go with the zip file. Feel free to also check your history for your single fills with either a quick fill, that is loading up the form and using the grid to tell BulkForm where the form fields are, or batch and single fill from templates where you fill out multiple forms from the templates, or you fill out one form from the template. And also feel free to check out our blog for educational content on forms from all over the world. This video was made quite a while ago, and at that time there was only one blog post about the I-485 form, which I spent 24 days mapping and understanding and making a certified framework for every immigration lawyer to use. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for using BulkForm.